Cable rack in concrete with steel riser with CS195 and pillows. Select the proper UL system for the application. UL system FB3016. Note, refer to the UL system FB3016 for cable types and % cable fill. Prior to installing the CS195 Plus composite sheet, install one layer of 1/2 inch wide adhesive back graphite seal or a 1/4 inch diameter bead of moldable putty onto the top surface of the steel riser to provide a smoke seal. Apply a 1/4 inch by 2 inch width of putty to the cables such that the putty extends approximately 1/2 inch above the floor or both surfaces of the wall. Note, not required to enhance the L rating. Each individual cable may be wrapped with a 1/4 inch by 2 inch width of putty such that the putty extends approximately 1/2 inch above the floor. Measure the size of the opening. Using a jigsaw with a metal cutting blade, cut the CS195 composite sheet large enough to overlap onto the steel floor riser surfaces a minimum of 2 inches, and so it extends 2 inches beyond the periphery of the opening. Pre-drill the holes into the steel riser. Secure the CS195 to the top surface of the steel riser with number 10 size by 1 inch long steel sheet metal screws with steel washers at each corner and spaced 8 inches on center. As an option, 1/4 inch diameter by 1 inch long steel bolts with nuts and washers can also be used. Install the steel angles into the opening so the top leg of the steel angle extends a minimum 2 inches over the CS195 and is secured with number 10 by 1/2 inch long steel sheet metal screws spaced 8 inches on center on the top surface of the floor. Install the pillows with the 9 inch dimension projecting into the opening so they are tightly packed to fill the annular space between the cable rack and the periphery of the opening. The pillows should be installed so they are centered in the opening. After the installation of the pillows, all voids within the opening shall be filled with a minimum 1 inch thickness of putty. Install a 1/2 inch diameter bead of moldable putty at the CS195 and cable interface and on the back side of the cable rack and riser interface.